Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. If you're a manager, supervisor, or HR officer looking for the right words to recognize and reward an employee's hard work, this video is just for you. Today we're walking through how to write an incentive letter, a formal letter used by companies to reward employees with bonuses, perks, or other incentives for outstanding performance. Whether you're praising someone for hitting quarterly targets or leading a successful project, a well-written incentive letter helps reinforce positive behavior, boost morale, and promote a culture of excellence. So stick around, because in this tutorial, I'll explain each part of the letter. Let's dive in. Sender's information. Establish company identity. We start with the sender's information, which represents your company. This section goes at the very top and serves as the letterhead. Here's what to include. Your company's name, company address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This part helps make the letter official and professional. Including full contact details shows the recipient that the message is legitimate and coming from a reliable source. If the letter is printed, it's like your company's brand at the top. If it's emailed, it still shows the formality and professionalism of the message. Date, when the letter is issued. After the sender's details, leave a space and write the date. This is when the letter was written or sent. Date. Why is the date important? It creates a record of when the incentive was communicated and becomes especially relevant if the incentive is time-sensitive or goes into HR files. Make sure it's accurate and matches your internal records. Recipient's information, who the letter is for. Next, you'll include the employee's details. This tells the reader exactly who the letter is addressed to and shows that the recognition is personal, not generic. Here's the format. Employee's full name, job title, department. This structure ensures clarity. Anyone reviewing the letter later, like HR or future supervisors, can quickly identify the recipient, their role, and which department they belong to. Subject line, the purpose of the letter. Now comes a very important but often overlooked part, the subject line, subject incentive award notification. This subject line is clear and direct. It immediately informs the employee what the letter is about. If you're sending the letter by email, this will also show up in the email's subject line, which makes it easy to track or refer to in the future. Salutation, professional yet warm greeting. Now address the employee directly using their first name, keeping it both professional and personal. Dear employee's first name. This strikes the right tone. It's formal enough for company communication, but warm enough to make the employee feel valued. This greeting sets the mood for a positive, motivational message. Opening paragraph. Acknowledge the employee's efforts. Now we move into the body of the letter, starting with the opening paragraph. This is where you express appreciation for the employee's performance and clearly state the purpose of the letter. From the template, I hope this message finds you well. On behalf of the management team, I am pleased to formally recognize your exceptional performance and dedication over the past time period, such as quarter, year. Your hard work, consistent results, and commitment to excellence have not gone unnoticed. Let's unpack this. Start with a polite and positive tone. I hope this message finds you well. Then move right into the reason for writing the letter. You're officially recognizing the employee's contribution, which sets a tone of gratitude. Mention the time period, whether it's a specific quarter, fiscal year, or performance cycle, so that the recognition feels grounded in real events. Using phrases like your hard work and commitment to excellence makes the message sincere and meaningful. This paragraph matters because it gives context to the incentive and shows the employee that their efforts have been seen and appreciated. Second paragraph. Explain the incentive and why it's being given. The second paragraph is the most important part of the letter. It's where you announce the actual incentive and explain what it's for. Here's what the template says. In recognition of your outstanding contribution, we are pleased to offer you an incentive award of amount, bonus, or type of incentive, effective date or immediately. This incentive is a token of our appreciation for your efforts, particularly in mention-specific achievement, project, or performance area. Your ability to briefly explain what the employee did well has significantly impacted our goals and overall success. Let's break this down. You start by stating the incentive clearly. It might be a cash bonus, a gift card, paid time off, or another type of reward. Include the effective date if it applies. This is especially important for financial bonuses or paid leave. Then mention what the employee did to earn the incentive. Be specific. Maybe they led a major project, exceeded their sales target, or improved team productivity. This section is critical because it not only delivers the reward, but reinforces the behavior that led to it. By naming the achievement and the impact it had, you're showing other employees, if this letter is shared internally, what kind of performance gets rewarded. Third paragraph, motivate and inspire future performance. After announcing the reward, you want to keep the momentum going. That's what this paragraph is about. We trust this gesture will motivate you to continue striving for excellence and inspire others on the team as well. We value your ongoing contributions and look forward to more accomplishments together in the future. This message isn't just about one reward, it's about encouraging ongoing excellence. By expressing trust in the employee's continued efforts, you're reinforcing the idea that good work leads to recognition. And when you mention that it will inspire others on the team, you're subtly promoting a culture of motivation and teamwork. End this paragraph by emphasizing that the company looks forward to more accomplishments together. It reminds the employee that they're a valued part of the organization's future. Fourth paragraph, offer support and contact options. Before closing, always offer the opportunity for the employee to reach out if they have questions. That's exactly what this short paragraph does. Please do not hesitate to reach out to your supervisor or the HR department if you have any questions regarding this incentive. This sentence is simple but essential. It shows that the company is transparent and open to dialogue. It also makes the employee feel supported. If they're unclear about how the bonus is processed or how it affects other benefits, they know exactly who to contact. Closing paragraph, thank the employee. Once again, before signing off, take a moment to thank the employee again. This reinforces the tone of appreciation. Thank you once again for your outstanding performance. It's a short line, but it carries weight. A direct, heartfelt thank you reminds the employee that their efforts are genuinely valued. It leaves the reader with a positive impression and closes the body of the letter on a high note. Closing, end the letter formally and warmly. Now it's time to sign off. The recommended closing from the template is, warm regards, your full name. Your job title. Company name. This closing balances professionalism with warmth. It matches the tone of the rest of the letter, and adding your full name, title, and company name ensures that the employee knows exactly who sent it. If you're printing the letter, be sure to sign it by hand above your typed name. If it's digital, a typed signature is fine, though some companies use digital signature tools for added formality. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to write an effective and thoughtful incentive letter. As you can see, this letter is more than just a bonus announcement. It's an opportunity to reinforce good performance, build motivation, and show employees that their work is seen and appreciated. By following this structure, company details, recipient info, subject, warm greeting, specific praise, clear incentive announcement, and motivational closing, you'll deliver a message that's not only professional, but also meaningful. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Writing Practices for more tutorials on professional letters, resumes, cover letters, and workplace communication tips. I post regularly, and I'm here to help you become a confident and effective writer. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.